Cris and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello there, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. And also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys click that bell button right next to the subscribe button, just to give you an update of me if I uploaded a new video. And if you guys follow me on my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, I would have it around here. So yeah, if you guys are interested of learning how I did this night out glam, so please continue watching. Alright guys, sorry, I already done my eyebrows and conceal and prime my eyelids. So now I'll be doing the eyes, and for today's palette I'll be taking my Beige Cosmetics Shaanxo the Remix palette, the 18 colors shadow palette. I know it really looks small, but I really love the idea of this palette guys, because it has the 9 shades, the palette on the other side, and also there's another 9 shades in the other side of this palette, and this is how it looks like. So yeah, I really love this palette guys. And then I'll be taking the Need You in the palette. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. I don't know, I always pops out into my mind. Every time I always see this Need You in the palette, it always makes me sing all the time. But anyway, I'm going to use my Zoeva Brush 228, and this is the big blending brush. I'll be putting this all over my eyelid. This can be my transition shades. Blend it in circular motion. These are actually beautiful shades, very brown. So now that it's done, I'll be taking the terracotta in the palette, using my Zoeva Brush 225. This is a very small blending brush. And then I'll be putting these shades not as far as the first shade. So now I'll be taking the Bump It in the palette, using my Zoeva Brush 227. And then back again with my Zoeva Brush 228, I'm going to kind of blend everything out. Okay guys, so to cut my crease, I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. As you can see guys, I just put the concealer on my eyelid, and what I wanted to do is to look up as far as I can. And now that's the concealer is all in my eyelid. And now what I wanted to do is get my concealer brush, and this is the e.l.f. concealer brush. I'll be spreading the concealer all over my eyelid. Now I'll be taking the Dream Girl in the palette, using my Zoeva Brush 234. I'll be putting this where all the concealer. So now I'll be taking my Zoeva Brush 230. I'll be taking the Bump It in the palette. And then I'll be putting this in my outer corner just to connect the shimmery shades. Alright guys, so now I'll be taking my MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line in Blacktrack. And I'll be taking this using my 317 brush. So now I'll be doing my primer, and for today's primer, I'll be taking my Benefits primer. I'll be putting this all over my face. Alright guys, so now that it's done, I'll be doing my foundation, and for today's foundation, I'll be taking my Covergirl VItalist Healthy Elexr foundation. And then I'll be taking my Eco2 sponge. I've been loving this foundation guys, and I've been wearing this continuously, means non-stop. What I love in this foundation is it has the SPF 20 in it. It's really good to go out under the sun, and also it's very full coverage foundation. It's not too bad for a drugstore foundation. Alright guys, so now I'll be taking my Sephora concealer, and this is in a shade Amber. I'll be taking this under my eyes. So now I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Contour Cream. I'll be taking this using my Morphe M164 brush. Alright guys, so now I'll be taking my Real Technique brush just to blend everything in. Alright guys, so now that it's done, let's bronze up a little bit. So for today's bronzer, I'll be taking my Becca Sunlit Bronzing Powder, and this is in a shade Ipanema Sun. I'll be taking this using my Beige Cosmetics number 15 brush. And I'll be doing my blush, and for today's blush, I'll be taking my Morphe 9B blush palette. This is actually the first time I'm going to use this palette, and I'm taking a lot of them actually. I'm going to take the shades right here, and then the shades here, and also this one. I'll be taking all the shades using my Beige Cosmetics number 126 brush. And to set my concealer, I'll be taking my Mercier Translucent powder. I'll be taking this using my Eco2 sponge. Be dusting everything out using my Beige Cosmetics number 25 brush. Alright guys, so back again with my Beige Cosmetics Shaanxo the Remix palette. I'll be taking the terracotta in the palette using my Zoeva Brush 237. I'll be putting this on my lower lash line. And then again, I'll be taking the Bump It in the palette using my Morphe Y21 brush. I'll be putting this on my lower lash line. And then for my mascara, I'll be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And for my false lashes, I'll be taking these false lashes. I'll be taking the Glam in the Alright guys, so now that my eyelashes are done, and what I can say about my lashes at the moment is really good. I'm not gonna lie, and yeah, this is also my first time using these false lashes, and I think I'm going to use this more often in my tutorials. Alright guys, so for today's highlighter, I'll be taking my Jefree Star Cosmetics Skin Pros in Peach Goddess. I'll be taking this using my 134 Zoeva brush. Then for my lips, I'll be taking my Chi lip pencil, and this is in a shade Qua. And for my liquid lipstick, I'll be taking my Colopop liquid lipstick, and this is in a shade Limbo. And then I'm gonna use my finger. And then to finish this look, I'll be getting my Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it now for this tutorial, and I'm so in love with how this look turned out today. And yeah, I'm so obsessed with this Beige Cosmetics Shaanxo the Remix palette. It's 18 shades in the palette. I am not regretting at all buying these palettes. It's very affordable and the shades are all pigmented. So yeah, I am so happy that I purchased one of these. And also you can go travel with this palette, and because palette are just small, and you can actually fit this in your bag when you go for traveling. And yeah, there's so many colors and shades in the palette, which you can never get wrong of this palette, guys. So be honest, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video.